So, as you can tell, we're in a room. This is the first bed we've slept in now in more than 3 weeks, and our first shower in well over a week. Yeah, we owe a special thank you to a woman named Mindy and her brother Todd, who gifted us this room. Really, thank you too. You guys are very special, and many good things should come your way, hopefully. You're good people. We first met Mindy, and we're not sure who all was in their car with her, on the second climb coming off out of the Yukon River. We were at the top of the second climb, and a car passes us. You know, they wave, and then next thing you know, they come back, and she hands out 3 Snickers bars. And we talked for a few minutes. And at that time, you know, we had Jessica with us, so that explains why the 3 Snickers bars. And we talked a minute, and then they were going north, and we were heading south. And didn't think any more of it. Thanked them. It was great. You know, those kind of interactions are really special, and they add to the adventure, and they become part of our adventure. So, you know, obviously we made our way to Fairbanks, spent a few days in Fairbanks, as you know by now, and then we worked our way down towards Denali National Park, which is where we currently are. We're outside of Denali National Park. But while in Healy, at a grocery store getting supplies, which is a few miles to the north of us, a car pulls up, and lo and behold, there's Mindy and her brother. I mean, the coincidence of that happening is pretty amazing. Yeah, amazing. So anyway, we talked again a little bit, and they insisted on gifting us this room for the night after we come out of the Denali National Park. And it does feel a little weird to accept stuff like that, but it's also very special to us too. And we want to say, really, again, thank you very much. If you're watching this. And she also did another little secret thing. I guess she was in the area, I'm not exactly sure, but she left a bag of Snickers bars and a pink flamingo. I guess because she knows we're from Florida. I hope it's coming out. And the pink flamingo will find its way south with us. We'll eventually mail it home, but it will go on our souvenir shelf. The stuff that we collect is our souvenirs, and it reminds us of either people or certain places we were while we travel. So we tend to not purchase items when we're traveling. Usually it's got to be more memorable, you know, something that really means something to us. So
and this means a lot.
Yes, and it's kind of funny too, being from Florida. Everybody's not everybody. We don't have a pink flamingo in our front yard, but it is a thing in Florida. So it will find its way down, at least to the lower 48, and before we pack up a box to ship back home, because obviously we don't need a lot of the stuff we're carrying now. And but it will be on our mantle or our souvenir shelf, as we have. And we'll update the video hopefully down the road on that. So again, I'm doing all the talking, Peter's not talking, but I wanted to say thank you, and I hope you're watching this, and thank you for being part of our adventure.
Yes, thank you very much. Your generosity is mind-blowing and much appreciated. And stay in touch.
Yeah, and all the best to you and your brother and your family, and take care. Thank you again. If you liked our video, please consider supporting our channel by rolling over that like button, subscribing, hitting the notification bell, and as always, feel free to share our videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.